Welcome to Phoenix Home Services, where we are contractors located in Northern Virginia, basically specializing in building custom walkways and patios in flagstone. And what we'll do is we can send a design consultant out to your house that can come out and talk to you about your needs and put together a nice plan for a new sidewalk and stoop, as this tutorial is going to talk about today. They'll basically put together some plans for you. And here you see what the existing stoop looks like looking out the front door, and we've got a basic little flagstone walkway that's just basically been set into dirt, and we're going to try to take this thing and transform it into something that's much nicer. And we start the process by basically forming out the new walkway that we're going to pour concrete in with lumber and plywood, and have the customers basically approve the forming before we pour any concrete. Once the forms are approved, our concrete truck will show up, and we use a 3,500 psi fiberglass reinforced concrete mixture that we set into the forms. As you can see here, where the stoop is being tied into the stoop extension, we've used number 4 rebar so that we have a mechanical connection, and that stoop's not going to crack out. The concrete basically cures overnight, so that in the morning we can come in with our flagstone and basically start laying our Pennsylvania flagstone onto the concrete walkway and stoop. And as you can see, all the edges are saw cut, and putting one of these projects together is basically like just building a big jigsaw puzzle. In this project, we also had a little butterback retaining wall system that we put in, and just added kind of a little planter for them. Here you see the guys mixing up Portland cement, fine masonry sand, and water that's used to set all the Portland and do all the grouting work. We then take and start grouting in all the joints of the laid flagstone, and basically we put that in with a grout bag. Here's the walkway, and an important feature here is that the walkway is flush with the driveway, so there's no trip hazard. We continue with the grouting process, making sure that all of the joints between the pieces of flagstone are completely jointed out. And once those joints have been completely filled with the Portland sand mixture, we take a grout sponge, wash off all the excess mortar, and then ultimately take muriatic acid and clean it up. And what we end up with is a finished product that looks nice, and it was a big improvement to this home. As you see, the homeowners are out here enjoying a sunny fall afternoon with a libation sitting on their brand new porch, and that's what it's all about, folks. So if you need some masonry work done in Northern Virginia, give us a call or look us up on the web, and we can certainly help you out.